Lightly whisk a vinaigrette and it's a salad dressing, right? But blend the vinaigrette, well, then it's a sauce. Check it. Let's find stuff to put it on. Mess with potatoes. Parboil. You'll throw them in the air fryer. Make them crispy. Gotcha. Tomato. Avocado. Chicken. Broccoli. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. We'll make a salad. Vinaigrette, blend it, make extra, put it in a jar, and remember, the hardest part about making a vinaigrette is trying to figure out what not to put it on. If you like the content that I'm giving, leave a comment, say what up, let me know what dishes you may want to see. For full recipes, hit the link in the bio. And oh yeah, remember y'all, food is fun. See y'all next time.